In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add doors in Revit. Let's jump right in. To start, head to the top ribbon and look for the Architecture tab. That's where the Door tool lives. Click Door, and you'll immediately enter Door Placement mode. From this point on, you're ready to position a door directly into a wall. Doors in Revit are wall-hosted elements, so make sure you're hovering over an existing wall to see the live preview. Move your cursor along the wall, and you'll notice a preview of the door appear. This preview shows you exactly how the door panel and swing will be oriented before you place it. As you slide your cursor, the insertion point tracks along the wall so you can choose the exact spot where you want it to go. You might also see temporary dimensions or alignment cues that help you understand spacing as you move. These visual aids are there to guide you, so take a moment to position the preview where it makes the most sense for your layout. If the swing direction doesn't match your intent, press the spacebar before you click. Each tap flips the swing left or right, so you can set the handing while you're still previewing the door. This is especially helpful when you're trying to coordinate how the door opens relative to nearby furniture, circulation paths, or adjacent rooms. Keep hovering and tapping spacebar as needed until the graphic looks right. When you're satisfied with the location and swing, click once to place the door in the wall. That single click commits the door to the model at that spot. After it's placed, you'll see small flip arrows appear near the door. These are on-screen controls that let you adjust the orientation without redoing the placement. Use them to flip the swing or the facing as needed, so the door behaves the way you expect in your plan. It's a quick, visual way to fine-tune orientation if you want to make a change after the fact. A couple of simple tips as you work. Zoom in for precision when placing doors close to corners or other elements, and take a moment to watch the preview as you move along the wall. What you see is what you'll get when you click. The preview reflects your current door family and size, so it's a reliable indicator of how the door will sit in the wall. That's the process. Open the Door tool from the Architecture tab, hover to preview, use spacebar to set the swing, click to place, and adjust with the flip arrows if needed.